welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking program, guys. Today we want to show you how you can make yourself one of the best ever curry goat at home. Curry goat served with some rice, veg. Guys, you will love it. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and remember, Chef Ricardo always there for you guys, no matter what happens. Request, we make it. This is a request from someone. It's just beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe. See you next time. I don't know if you remember when I did marinate my curry goat a few weeks ago. Early this morning at roughly early, I take it out and leave it for it to just simple thaw out. And now it get thawed out. So what I want to simply do is to cook it. This is the curry goat which I marinated about 2 weeks ago, and I did freeze it. I got the video on my YouTube channel how to marinate it. If you want me to show you guys, I can show you how to marinate it. And basically I have some white onion, some garlic, and all I'm gonna do is to cook this now. This is gonna be one of the most best Jamaican ever curry goat in the world. I'm getting a request for such a long time, and I need to do the recipe now that you guys can see exactly how to cook curry goat in your kitchen at home. In your kitchen, not my kitchen, your kitchen. This is the meat part of the curry of the curry goat. That's the leg part, which is a lot of, you know what I mean, got a bit of bone and some meat, so it's beautiful. So hopefully you would enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. And remember, the video on the YouTube channel show you how to marinate it and freeze it and use it next time when you want to use it. So I already freeze it and I'm gonna use it now when I want to use it. So look how you do it at home, guys. You're gonna love it. Seriously, you're gonna love it. Nice. So this is my pot where now I'm gonna use my curry, cook my curry goat enough. Yeah. So what I'm gonna simply do is just pop roughly a teaspoon of oil inside of it. Not too much oil. Because when you cook curry goat with a lot of oil, it brings a lot of oil. Alright? Then as I can see what I'm doing, but you don't need to do that what I'm doing, guys. It's just you can use a wooden spoon and simple let the oil just go all over inside the pot. Then next what we're gonna do is put in white onion and the garlic. Saute it up. Alright. Yeah, this is the way it look. Alright? Guys, look. This is the way it look. Smell really nice. Then what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my curry goat. Nice one. Then take out the bad boy. Now we don't want to burst inside of it. Simple. Give it a stir. Alright, that's looking lovely and nice. I want you guys to see. Look at that. That is beautiful. That's what I call a marinated curry goat. This is gonna be the best curry goat in the world. Second thing I want you to do at home is cover your pot like this and turn it down on a medium-sized heat. When you turn it down on a medium-sized heat, you're gonna spring some juice by itself. In the meantime, boil your kettle, and as you see the water dry down, in the next 10 to 15 minutes, you can continue, give it a stir, just like this. Just keep stirring it, and in the next 15 to 20 minutes time, on the medium-sized heat, pour some water inside of it, roughly about 4 cups of water inside of it, and keep pouring water until it cooks. Alright? That's all you need to do, guys. Just continue pouring water until it cooks. Enjoy the recipe. So, this is the way it looks. I didn't put any water in there yet. So, this is the way how it looks. So now you can add some water to it. Alright? And you can even wait longer and longer before you can add water, but you need it to get cooked. So you have to add some boiling water to this now. It's looking good. Alright, so I'll leave that on the medium size heat and make it cook for a nice good 20 minutes. After the water dry down, you pour another section of water just like that. Cover the meat a little bit, and the meat get tender and soft, we're gonna put some veg in it and season it up. So enjoy the recipe, guys. Nice and lovely, guys. As you can see, I got 3 little potato and some spring onion, 2 medium-sized carrot. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut them up and put them straight in that pot. The meat is ready. So let's go into business now. Yes. So as you can see, you can know when your meat is ready, guys. Look at this. The meat is shaking. That means it is cooked and ready. I don't even have to do anything because I can see that it is ready. So basically what I'm gonna simply do, I'm gonna put in some spring onion, or some, they call it white onion, not white onion, scallion. Yes, that's the next name. Spring onion and scallion. That's another name they call it. So now we're gonna simply put in some potato, and I'm just cutting them very small, not too big and chunky, because we want them to cook the right and proper way. We're not gonna add any more curry powder in it. We're just gonna leave it as it is. Simple. We're gonna taste it and see the way how it tastes. So now we're gonna cut up the carrot. That's the carrot. Nice one. As you can see, exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Really beautiful. Give it a stir. I don't need to add any more water inside of it. But as you can see, it looking so lovely and so beautiful. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Hey, listen, man. Look at this. Look at the beautiful. Hey, I'm gonna do a little secret. I saw someone did this and it worked. I'm gonna put a little bit of ketchup inside of it. Roughly about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. Basically, I saw someone did it before and it did work. So let's put a little bit of ketchup inside of it. You see how it's getting thick now already? Alright, nice one. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna taste it and see something. Oh my God in heaven. Lord, help me. Not because me's a chef. Only thing I'm gonna do is pop a little bit of hot pepper sauce because I did take out the pepper. Nice. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Give it a stir. Jesus in heaven, help me, Lord, help me. This is, cover it and give it about 10 more minutes. Honestly, guys, I didn't add any more seasoning, anything else to it, only the water and everything with the all of those seasoning before, and now I just add the carrot and the potato and some spring onion, a little bit of ketchup. That's it. When I did marinate it, I marinated and it did soak because I marinated for probably about 2 weeks now. I have it in my fridge, in my freezer. So guys, enjoy the recipe. Enjoy the recipe. It's beautiful. You can have this on a Sunday evening for dinner. Nice and lovely. Look at the goat. Yes. Nice and lovely, guys. Simple, I want to simply say to you that it is finished now. But we're gonna do a little thing. We have to share it out. Yeah, we have to share it out. Really nice. So enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments. Now we're gonna share it out. It is finished, done and dusted. Turn off my stove. We're gonna go one more inch further with it. So as you can see, guys, Jamaican style, Jamaican curry goat, the best of the best in the world. Enjoy the recipe. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. I just share it out, guys. But look at this. Look at this. Beautiful and nice. Simple, easy and effective, guys. But exactly what I'm talking about. That is exactly what I'm talking about, guys. Curry goat, rice, veg, and some salad. Beautiful, nice, as you can see, effective. This is exactly what Chef Ricardo been talking about, guys. Hopefully you would enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments, and hopefully we can come out with better and better recipe like this. So as you can see right here, guys, just really marvelous and excited in the kitchen. One more time with Chef Ricardo. See you next time. Bye bye.